All right, y'all, I'm back out here again. I'm gonna run these packs dead, and I put a new bulkhead in the Notorious on for us again. I'm out here with the Creighton XL. I'm gonna try to set a jump record, but that's some video today. And old x-maxx back together. Let's see what they do. All right, y'all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Almost in the street. Oh, dang. All right, x-maxx time. Oh, gears are gone in the diff. Damn it. Oh! Oh! Got some gears not happy in there, boys and girls. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Yeah, she sounds real bad now. That was horrible. Horrible. Ain't doing so swell today, boys and girls. My audience over there. Oh, broke the hinge pin out of it. Damn. Well, I know what that is. I broke my locking hinge pin earlier. It just popped the hinge pin out, so it ain't broke. Where's the pin at, though? Is the pin still in there? Damn it, where's the pin at? Did I break the arm? No. Where's the pin? Oh, pin's still in there. All right, yeah, pin's still in there. All right, let me pull that pin out there, because that ain't broke. I just got to put it back in there. Again, y'all. Right. Barely, but she's going. 50? Probably 50. 45, 40. I bought it and then built it. Black Sheep RC on YouTube, fellas. Black Sheep RC. Oh shit. Missed the ramp, yep. It'll be on there tomorrow, buddy. Ah, I got a diff. Got a diff going out. That sucks. Thanks, fellas. Oh, shit. It's all right, man. I appreciate it, fellas. Y'all be good, man.
Hey, you said Black Sheep?
Yep, it looks like that right there. See that logo on top?
Oh.
That's what it looks like, fellas. You find that logo on YouTube, you found me. Appreciate you, fellas. Out in the x-maxx, I can hear it. Yeah, diff sounds real bad now. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Black Sheep RC on YouTube, man. Black Sheep RC on YouTube. That logo right there on top on YouTube, if you see that, that's it. Yep.
Black Sheep RC?
Yep. Just hit 1,000 the other day, man.
Oh,
Hell yeah. Yeah. You don't mind being on there, do you? You don't mind being on there, do you?
Somewhat, no, not really.
All right. If you mind, I'll take you out of there. If not, appreciate it. Have a good one, brother. Hell yeah, I'm up here all the time, man. That's cool, dude. Sounding like a rear death. Ah. I hope I'm not blinding everybody with that sun. I'm sure I am. That's a good one. Oh, hear that diff? Daggone it. Trying to be real easy on it so I don't break it more, but kind of stinks because I can't get on my x-maxx now. Oh shit! Oh, something flew off of it. I'm not sure what the hell it was, but something flew off. What the hell is that? What is that? Oh, that didn't fly off my shit. That's the end of a cane. Somebody's cane. Oh, you all right, buddy? Oh no, you're not all right. Holy hell, what'd we break? What'd we break now? What the hell? We broke the pin. We snapped a pin. How in the hell did that happen? All right, y'all. That goes to show you how bad an RPM arm flexes. Look at this. The shock's not broke. The arm's not broke. The pin's gone out of it. It flexed the pin clean out the damn arm, man. Let me see if I can find that pin. If not, that's gonna do it. We've had a lot of sins out here today though, guys. I ain't even mad if it is, but I ain't never seen no shit like that. Have you ever seen a pin get popped out? Just a pin, y'all. Look at that, that's crazy. Never seen it before, never.